Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic, use tab index to specify the order of keyword focus for several elements. So we can even specify order of keywords focus by using tab index. The tab index attribute also specifies the exact tab order of elements. This is achieved when the value of the attribute is set to a positive number of 1 or higher. Setting a tab index equal to 1 will bring keyword focus to that element first. Then it cycles through the sequence of a specified tab index, that is value 2, 3, etc. before moving to the default and tab index 0 items. It is important to note that when the tab order is set in this way, it overrides the default order, which uses the HTML source as the guideline for where to focus next. This may confuse users who are expecting to start navigating from top of the page. This technique may be necessary in some circumstances, but in terms of accessibility, take care before applying it. So we should not blindly apply it. Means start giving forms 1, 2, 3, 4. If it isn't important, means we should always use tab index 0 because it will give default function rather than a specific function for your site. Here is an example. Tab index equal to 1. I get keyword focus and I get it first. Tab index equal to 2. I get keyword focus and I get it second. So first this one will be focused and second this one. And let's see the task. Camper Cat has search field on his inspiration codes page that he plans to position in the upper right corner with CSS. He wants the search input and submit input form controls to be first two items in the tab order. Add tab index attribute set to 1 to the search input and tab index attribute set to 2 to the submit input. So in here what we can do in case of input search, we can give the tab index equal to 1, and in case of submit we can give tab index to 2. So it should work when we press tab first this one and then it doesn't work. Why? Label for search. Campercat has a search. Submit input form control to be first two items in the tab order. So what if I click here? It's never. Okay. The behavior is irregular. We can see that it's when we click here first, then it goes back to submit, then back to the first means 0. The tab index which have 0 value are coming later than the search, but it's simply ignoring it when we click anywhere here. So not very reliable, but we can use tab index if there is need. But I don't think we should change default value normally. So run the test and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.